Hey everyone, my name is Mayur and welcome to the React Fundamentals Crash Course for complete beginners. If you're aiming to become a front-end web developer, you are at the right place, as React is one of the most popular libraries you can learn. Before we begin, let me go over a few points to give you an idea of what this course offers. First, I would like to mention this course is for complete beginners. I'm going to assume that you have no prior knowledge of React and teach the course. If you're someone who's already familiar with React, then probably hop into some other video where you can better utilize your time. Second, this video is continuation of the HTML, CSS and JavaScript that you've already known. Make sure you're familiar with all three before proceeding, and also have an idea of some of the ECMAScript 2015 concepts or the modern JavaScript features. By any means, I don't want any expertise of those, but definitely it could be helpful. Thirdly, we are going to learn React from a beginner's perspective. React does not, React does have quite a few advanced topics that are difficult to understand when starting new. So we will focus on topics that a beginner must know when getting started, and you can then use the knowledge to dive deeper into React. Fourth, in this video, we will be using React version 18, which was released on 29th of March 2022 and is considered to be one of the latest and stable releases. So having said that, we'll cover only the new features or the relevant features of this version 18 of React. So this being a fundamentals crash course and quite a few concepts in the new release are pretty advanced, which will only confuse you as a beginner. So most importantly, make sure that you code along with me, as that is considered one of the best ways to learn, so that by the end of this video you will have a solid understanding of fundamentals in React. Alright, with these points in mind, let's get started.